Let's learn sound devices. Have you ever read a sentence that sounds like what it means? Like, the bees buzzed loudly. Today, we will learn about sound devices in English: onomatopoeia, alliteration, assonance, consonance. Let's begin. Sound devices. Sound devices are tools used by poets to convey and reinforce the meaning or experience of poetry through the skillful use of sound. Types of sound devices. Onomatopoeia is a word that imitates a sound. It sounds like what it means. Onomatopoeia. This is a sound device which refers to the use of words whose sounds suggest their meanings. Onomatopoeia is a word that imitates a sound. It sounds like what it means. Example: the meow of a cat, the buzz of a bee, the splash of the water. These words make writing more alive and exciting. Alliteration. This is the repetition of the same initial consonant sounds of at least two words in a line of poetry. Example: Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. The frog frolicked frivolously on the forest floor. Notice the repeating P and F sounds. Assonance. This is the repetition of vowel sounds at the beginning, middle, or end of at least two words in a line of poetry. Example: the rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. Go slow over the road. The vowel sound is repeated inside the words. Consonance. Consonance is the repetition of consonant sounds, usually at the middle or end of words. Example: the cat sat on the mat. Mike likes his new bike. The repeating consonant sounds make the sentence sound musical. Now, let's see if you can answer these items.